Teachers, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get set up in Canvas Black. What we are calling Canvas Black is actually the free version of Canvas. At this current time, we have purchased Canvas for grades 9th through 12th here at VA Public Schools. But we really encourage you to use the Canvas Black or the free version so that all the time that you invest into a learning management system will directly correlate with the Canvas Gold when it is purchased for your grade level. The first step is going to a new tab on your browser and typing in canvas.instructure.com. canvas.instructure.com. It'll take you to this page here. What you need to do from here is click on Need a Canvas Account. Click here, it's free. That will make you get to this page here. From this page, you need to choose that I am a teacher. Once you have done that, it gives you two options, to try it or to build it. If you try it, it actually gives you a pre-populated Canvas course that you get to see and test drive. We want to actually build our courses and install our own students. So you would click on Build It. At this time, it allows for teacher sign up. Pick your organization, choose your title. You can put here Broken Arrow Public Schools, put your name, your last name, your phone number, your email, and you can use any email address you would like here as long as you can get to it to open up emails that are sent to you so that you can confirm the account. So you can just use your baschools.org Outlook email if you would like. Under location, you choose United States, and then you would agree to these terms, and then you would click on Submit. After you do so, go ahead and return to the email that you had registered with, and you'll have an email from Canvas that says Confirm Registration. Click on that, and it says click here to finish the registration process. That will take you to this here. Your login will be the email address that you used to register your account. Make up a password of your choosing. Choose your time zone, which would be Central. And if you want to receive emails and information, do that. Click Agree, and then hit Register. Now make sure you remember this password. I would just make it the same password you use to log into your computer and everything else so that you don't forget it. Just know that when you change your computer password, that this will not automatically change, that you will have to manually change this in your settings if you want to always keep those the same. So go ahead and do that and click on Register. Once done, you'll be directed back to your Canvas. Now, you don't have any courses set up here. So the first thing that you need to do is go to the top right and say Start a New Course. Now, if I just taught English in middle school, or if I just taught math, I might just call it Math or English. Now, what you would probably want to do is go ahead and separate them into sections. So I would say First Hour English. You can go ahead and make it private, it doesn't really matter, and just say Create Course. And it will take me directly into my first hour class. Now, when I go to Courses, I have this pop out, and I can go to All Courses, and I can select the ones that I want to see. So obviously, we would select that First Hour English, and then when you go back to your dashboard, you'll see your First Hour English course. And you can access that course by clicking on it there, or by going to the course menu and finding it there. Now, it comes to enrolling your students. What you'll need to do is you'll need to go down to Settings in the course menu, and then under Course Settings, you'll have a Course Details tab. Make sure that is what is selected and scroll down to where it says Description and More Options. Go ahead and click on More Options. Once you click More Options, you'll see the first option is Let Students Self-Enroll by sharing with them a secret URL or code. Go ahead and click on that. and then click Update Course Details. Now you'll simply scroll back down to the bottom and you'll see a statement that says, "This course has enabled open enrollment. Students can self-enroll in this course once you share with them this URL. Alternatively, they can sign up at canvas.instructure.com and use the following code TNJJEG. Now yours is obviously going to be different. So one of two things. You could have them type this into their URL, which can be frustrating if they miss something. And really, all you need to type is canvas.instructure.com. So that's all you would have to write on your board. Canvas.instructure.com. Now, when they get here, they will need to say, "Need a Canvas account, click here." Once they're there, then they would just go to "I am a student." They would type in their join code, which is this here. They would type their full name. They would type their username. So what this needs to be is their graduation year and first, last name. Just like they log into a computer. Under password, they need to put their student ID number, which is either that 6 or 8-digit number. And then they click on "I agree" and then start learning. Once they are enrolled into your class, you have all the same abilities that you will have when you get into the paid version. Now you will need to do this for each course that you want to create and follow those steps that we just went through. Now beyond that, everything else is pretty much like the paid version and all the tutorials that are out there on bafusion.org. So if you want to see the tutorials that the other paid version teachers are going through, simply go to bafusion.org, and on the right tab over here says Video Tutorials, and then Instructional Technology, and then you have Canvas. You also have under here a student tutorial list. Now this is great because you don't have to teach your students how to use everything. So always return here if you have any questions, and don't be afraid to contact me either if you are struggling with Canvas or the implementation of it in your classroom.